This is the Surface laptop with the X Elite chip. And these are the new Surface laptops with an X2 Elite chip, a 13.8 inch and a 15-inch variant. And here's the thing, this generation feels properly upgraded. Let's just kick it off. These are both clearly boxed, but I think we should start by getting them out of that box so we can see what they look like. They both have the paper tab just on the front, so we're going to rip those off and move them out of the way. Now, straight out of the box, if we open both of these up, they are both sat right on the top, and it feels like the classic Surface experience. It feels clean, premium, and minimal. And if we pull these out, they are wrapped. And if I pop them just at the front here, you've got your documentation just here. And just to note, there isn't a charger in here. This model doesn't include one. Surface is taking a more sustainable approach here, giving you the flexibility to choose the charging option that works best for you. It keeps the packaging cleaner, lighter, and honestly, it fits the whole design ethos of these devices, leaning heavily into that sustainability element. Now, at first look, you are not going to be disappointed. It is that traditional Surface feel and approach you would expect. They feel clean, they feel premium, and they're nice and sleek. Everything about these is distinctly Surface. They're slim profiled, sharp lines, and they're unmistakably Surface. And the 15-inch version just takes that same aesthetic and scales it up. Neither of them feel bulky or overbuilt. And then when we look at the color options for the two, the 13.8-inch version comes in the black, which we have here. It comes in platinum, dune, and jade. The 15-inch variant comes in black and platinum. All the colors look premium, and they look even better in real life. They've got that soft modern finish, and it feels high-end without feeling, well, too flashy. Both models use a fully aluminium body, and they feel well built from the moment that you pick them up. They are perfectly portable, and it's the kind of device you forget that's in your bag. The 15-inch version is obviously slightly larger, but it's surprisingly light for its size also, and it's a great option if you want more screen space without carrying something that feels like a workstation. Speaking of screens, the displays are a big highlight. The 13.8-inch version gives you a 2304 x 1536 pixel sense touchscreen, while the new 15-inch version gives you a screen upgrade compared to the previous variant. The PPI is up from a 201 PPI for the previous generation to a 262 PPI, which gives you around a 3.5K resolution screen. Both screens give you that signature 3:2 aspect ratio, which gives you more vertical space. And if you've ever used a 3:2 screen before, it genuinely makes a difference. You see more of your documents, more of your timeline, more of your web page without scrolling. Now, these are bright, sharp, and they're color accurate. The touchscreen is smooth and responsive, and as soon as you switch them on or log in, you get that classic Surface experience. It's clean, it's uncluttered, nothing unnecessarily launching. It's Windows as it's designed. And if you want anything else to run on boot, well, that's your call. It's a small thing, but it sets the tone. You're starting with a clean foundation, and you build your setup the way that you want it. Both models are running on the Snapdragon X2 Elite chip, part of the new Copilot Plus PC generation, with a 12-core CPU, Adreno graphics, and a powerful NPU delivering 80 tops. And honestly, the performance in these is impressive. These laptops run cool, they're silent, and they feel incredibly responsive. Whether you're multitasking, editing photos, working on presentations throughout the day, or even want to do some gaming on them, they handle it effortlessly. Battery life is another standout. Depending on your workload and in real world use, you're easily getting an all-day battery life. Maybe more if you're doing lighter tasks. It's the kind of device you don't consistently think about charging, which is exactly what you want from something this portable. Port selection is practical. On the side, you've got two USB-Cs, a USB-A, and a headphone jack, and the Surface Connect charger on the side of the 13.8 variant. Then on the 15-inch variant, you have two USB-Cs, a USB-A, a headphone jack, that Surface Connect port for charging, and a micro SD card reader. It's a simple setup, but it covers all of the essentials. Now, the keyboards feel great. It's that classic Surface experience that you would expect. Soft but precise, and just the right amount of travel. And then there's the new advanced haptic trackpads. These are genuinely some of the best on any Windows laptop. They're smoother and more fluid for scrolling, accurate for clicking and gestures, and they just feel right. If you're someone who uses a trackpad a lot, you'll appreciate how refined it is. You're also getting all of those Windows AI experiences powered by the NPU, with things like Windows Studio Effects, Instant Wake, Click to Do, and Recall, all to aid your everyday productivity. Both models feel properly future ready. So there's the new Surface laptop lineup. You've got the 13.8 inch for ultimate portability. You have the 15 inch if you want more screen space, and both delivering premium design, impressive performance, incredible battery life, and the all-new Copilot Plus PC features. If you want something lightweight that still feels powerful and polished, these are seriously strong options. Ciao.